Hey everybody, welcome to Bura. In this episode, I'm going to be talking about what Valve just did with their Steam Deck. Alright, welcome back. So, Valve has done something that's absolutely amazing, and it just shows you what you can do if you have just a little bit of leeway into what the customer is thinking here. So what they're doing is they're partnering with IFixit to sell Steam Deck replacement parts. Now this is something that's really interesting because, and not only that, there was another article that's saying that they're giving all of their CAD files away. Now this is really cool because now it looks like the Steam Deck is going to be repairable, and it's going to be completely repairable. Now, if you don't know what iFixit is kind of like an organization that kind of tears down tech, and it gives it kind of like a fix-it score. And of course, like Android phones and iPhones don't tend to do very well. But other phones tend to do. And whenever you hear about a phone that talks or that is really repairable, it usually has a high iFixit score. But anyway, this is really cool, and it just goes to show you if you do something, you know, you can actually get away with some press by doing kind of the opposite of what big companies do. Now, of course, the reason why Apple doesn't want you to repair your phone is because, well, they make so much money off the repairs, and they're a publicly traded company, so you have to protect the profits. But anyway, one of the things that you can do with this here is that, like, you'll be able to, like, kind of print off your own things if you really want to, and you'll be able to just get some of the parts here, which is really cool. And the thing is that if you really want to watch this, you can kind of watch the teardown here. But one of the things that Valve is Valve is a private company. Now, I talk about Steam a lot on this channel, and we don't know how much they make. It's roughly $4 to $5 billion a year. It might be more since the pandemic. But nevertheless, they are a private company, and they can kind of do mostly whatever they want because they have, well, they produce not only A, really good products, but B, they have a loyal customer fan base, and they do stuff like this to keep their fan base, well, you know, satisfied. And this is a very good first step here. And one of the things that I'd love to be able to do in the future is take whatever I want for my phone, order the parts, and just replace it myself if I want to. Now, this would be something that's really cool, but we'll see. We'll see. There's a lot of legislation that is going through right now, and of course, I'll be talking about a lot of that going forward. All right, so thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you in the next one.